everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. Let's start by blending syllables. Listen carefully while I give you the word parts, and then you repeat the word parts, then we'll blend the word together. Vacation. Vacation. Rainbow. Rainbow. Pancakes. Pancakes. September. September. Fantastic. Fantastic. Nighttime. Nighttime. Location. Location. Good. All right, now we are going to segment syllables. So I will say the word, you repeat the word, and then we'll clap out the word parts. Rainbow. Rainbow. Disappear. Disappear. That was 3. Lunchtime. Lunchtime. 2. Promise. Promise. 2 again. Pillowcase. Pillowcase. 3. Somebody. Somebody. 3 again. Good job. Okay, now we are going to do vowel substitution for medial vowel sounds. Those are vowels that come in the middle of a word. When we're roller coastering, that would be the sound at the top of the roller coaster. The word is kit. Change I to I. Kite. The word is ride. Change I to E. Read. The word is pan. Change A to A. Pain. The word is cut. Change A to U. Cute. The word is creek. Change E to O. Croak. The word is mope. Change O to A. Mop. Good. All right. Let's add some suffixes. Let's do some suffix adding. So we're going to start with the word, and then we're going to add the suffix or the ending word part. The word is play. Add ing to the end. Playing. The word is come. Add ing to the end. Coming. The word is think. Add ing to the end. Thinking. The word is other. Add s to the end. Others. The word is face. Add s to the end. Faces. Good. Now we're going to remove that ending word part. Actually, you know what? Let's remove some prefixes. So we're going to say the word, and we're going to remove the beginning word part. This would be a word like unsafe. We remove the un from the beginning. The word is undo. Without un, the word is do. The word is unusual. Without un, the word is usual. The word is reuse. Without re, the word is use. The word is rewind. Without re, the word is wind. Nice job today.